Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Make Money Moves channel, and today I have a very profitable and a very good way to make money. Now, for the most part, this is a method that you might not have to spend money on, but in some cases you might actually have to spend a little bit of money. You might have to do a little bit of investing, but the return on it is going to be incredible. You're going to make a lot of money doing the method that I'm going to show you guys. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys a platform that you can use that will help you, will assist you basically to make money. And you guys are actually going to love this method because it is so great and so profitable. And it's not gimmicky or anything. This is something that people actually do. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so as you guys can see, there is a list of names right here. Now you guys might be wondering, like, hey, why do you have a list of names? Why is that important? Why should I care about names? And you guys, you'd be surprised because the method that I'm going to show you guys is very profitable. You can make a lot of money off of it. And this list that you guys are looking at, the 300 most common male names in the U.S., is going to make you a lot of money if you know what you're doing. So yeah, okay. So the platform I'm going to be showing you guys, in case you guys are wondering, it's called Player Up. Now this is a platform where you can buy and sell accounts. You can also buy and sell usernames, which is going to be basically what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to scroll down, okay, and we're going to find all of their games / marketplaces, and we're going to click on this. So we are going to go to the I section, and we're going to find, oh, what in the world? Okay, let me try that again. The I section. Okay, and we're just going to look for Instagram right here. Now, as you guys can see in the Instagram section, you can buy, sell, and trade Instagram accounts, buy, sell, and trade Instagram comments, buy, sell, and trade Instagram followers, buy, sell, and trade Instagram likes, mentions, OG usernames, services, and views. Now, we're not going to be focusing on any of these, but the OG usernames is what we're going to be looking at today. Now, I'm going to show you guys a little something. Okay. So people on here are selling OG usernames. Now, okay. This one, for example. This is, decently unique, $5. Not a whole lot of money, right? Now, we keep going. This is, okay, this person is selling a username for $777, right? Okay, it is an OG username. So OG usernames, of course, cost a lot. Here's another one, $1,500, F23KA. That's just like a random collection of numbers, and they're selling that for $1,500. So basically, you can make a lot by selling OG usernames. This one, 15 stars. I mean, it's only $5. 7 James, $10. We keep going. All of these names, they're not like super OG, some of these, but they're still going for a good amount of money. So basically, if you already own an Instagram account that has like an OG username, then you can sell it for a good amount of money. And you can profit off of it. Now, the thing is, a lot of you that are watching this video probably don't have like a super unique or OG Instagram username, and that's okay. Because, okay, we're going to come over here, right? The name of this Instagram account is Dad. I can already guarantee the username for this account costs a whole lot of money, like a lot of money. And, as you guys can see, this guy has a good amount of followers. Of course, he's like a meme page. But basically, stuff like this goes for a lot of money. So, something that you guys could do is you can make like a little burner Instagram account, and you could like try out a ton of different Instagram usernames, and you could keep going until you find something, and then you can come back on this platform and put it on this forum section, and someone might buy it. So that's a pretty good idea, right? Now another thing, some people aren't gonna just easily give up their account name, and some people aren't gonna have how do I say this? Okay, like you're probably gonna have a hard time finding an OG username, and it's probably gonna take you a really long time. So this is where we get into what I like to call the investing method. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come over to this list, right? So the most popular name in the US is James. We are going to search James. Of course, we have celebrities like James Charles, James Avery, James McAvoy, however you say that. And yeah, famous people with the name James would probably love to have the OG at James, right? So we're going to look for it real quick. And actually, I can literally, all I got to do is come up here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is a fairly popular account. So, yeah. Let's try another one. We're going to try out a name like William. Okay, so this guy has the OG at William, right? Now, he only has 4 posts, and, he has actually a pretty good amount of followers. Now, the thing about this account name is that it is worth a lot. So, someone with the name William, let's look it up real quick, right? So, we have will.i.am from the Black Eyed Peas. You guys probably know who that is. We have this guy. He's verified. We keep going. We have this guy too. So there's a lot of people that have the name William as like their first name, and they're verified on Instagram. Now, something that you could do is you could reach out to someone like this that they have like a OG username, and you could say, hey, I'll pay you $50 to $100 for your username. And you guys might be like, whoa, 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 that's like a good amount of money. Why would I want to spend that on a username? Well, what you can do is you could probably buy that off of this guy, and he wouldn't even know that his username is worth as much as it is. And you could turn around, find a celebrity or someone who's verified on Instagram and say, hey, I have the OG username William. Do you want it? And someone is bound to pay you like about $1,000 for a username like that. So it is a very profitable method. Or you could just buy it, come back to this forum, sell it, and you could price it at like $1,000 to $1,500. Excuse me. So yeah. Basically, the method that I showed you guys is I recommend it. It's pretty profitable, and I've actually tried this method. Unfortunately, I'm kind of a cheapskate, and I don't really want to invest in the username. But I know some of you guys are risk takers, and if you guys are risk takers, then this method is for you. Now, even though you can make money with the method that I just showed you, you're still trading time for money. And to be honest, the way that I showed you how to make some extra money on the side is really something that isn't meant to be full-time, and you're not really going to generate a whole lot of money on there. You're really just going to generate enough money to maybe pay a couple extra bills, maybe buy a little something extra. But if you guys are tired of working your 9 to 5 and you want to make money pretty much all the time, even when you're asleep, then I recommend checking out the link down in the description below. It's actually the first link, and you'll discover a very real method to make some passive income, and it's really easy, and I highly recommend checking it out. So yeah, like I said, first link in the description. Also, if you guys want to see some more videos on this channel to earn some some easy money, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button too. That would be highly appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.